Welcome to MarineMax at Summers Point. My name is Bill Hart, and today we're going to take a look at the 2017 236 Sailfish. Starting up here in the bow of the boat, first thing I'm going to point out, one of the greatest things about Sailfish is how deep you are in the boat. Very safe for kids, awesome for when you're fishing, nice and high to lean on the sides. I'm going to point something out real quick, is these backrests that really this boat's set up awesome for fishing and for family fun as well. When you have the family on the boat, you got a nice backrest. Put this up out of the way. You got something to lean on while you're fishing. Notice up here as well, there's nothing really to get snagged on when you're fishing. Safety grab rails are recessed. All your cleats are pulled down. Nice large insulated boxes on port and starboard. Great for fish, also great for drinks and all that kind of stuff, any food that you're going to have on board. There's also a table that you can put up here as well. Moving back in the boat, another awesome thing that Sailfish does with this, integrated rails. Really makes a nice wide walkway for either fishing or family. Really, again, it's set up for both. Hardtop, no canvas up here, which is nice. Covers a lot of the boat, get a lot of shade on the boat. Up here at the helm area, another nice little cooler that they added in. Great use of space on this boat, storage. Up at the helm area, everything's set up nice for the captain. Digital throttles on the 250 Mercury, Fusion stereo. Storage down underneath the feet, again, utilization of space is great. As we continue to move back into the transom area, easy access into the bilge. Ski pylon that telescopes gets out of the way when you are fishing. Nice setup back here. You got knife storage, pliers, space for the hose for the raw water, fresh water wash down on this side of the boat. Makes it easy to wash your feet getting on and off. You don't have to bring all that onto the boat with you. And again, I'm going to point out more storage, place for your fenders, lines, everything like that. Nice fold down seat on the transom. Again, goes for that family, and then when you're fishing, it just easily goes out of the way and gives you something to lean on. That's a quick walkthrough of the Sailfish 236 center console. If you have any questions, give us a call, 609-926-0600. Thank you.